na Outspa Show and a VTFM. Ebito konikina.
Opunja celebrating 90 years.
Kay vinodpatel.
VTFM ekamida ngaikachi.
Rebecca, a very warm welcome and Mbulumanaka to you all. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning.
Yes,
and Rebecca to all the
morning.
friends who are tuning in from all over the country this morning. We say Mbulumanaka, me osambule sia mbulare, Mbulubina to all our friends in Vonolevu. Pakakida vikibrinda vekado di Vito. Kan Mbulumana Vito lungo ni sala.
Volumina.
To all the drivers, Eleanor.
Yes, Mbulumanaka Vikimnikat Sara driver,
Yeah.
driving this morning, picking up passengers and dropping them off. A
Yeah.
very good morning to you all.
Right.
Very big work they doing, eh?
Don't know Vinaka. Don't know Vinaka. Tapi biar garam tu
Right.
isi ketutuk sabi si Yana Vinaka as well to all the staff of the Ministry of Health.
Right.
Who are working this morning. Well, they started early in the morning, eh?
Yes.
By 5:30, via say 4, say 4:45, the Visoyanra started.
True up.
The
Yes.
shift change started early in the morning to all the nurses, doctors,
Yes.
and the kitchen staff. Very communicated. The X-ray department.
Yes.
The
maternity department.
maternity department.
Yes.
Sabi kami na papalalay
On
to all
the
the
clock,
newborn
yes.
and the new mothers of the newborn babies this morning. Kinusapan ito sinabi kami ni Willie papalilay ng mga mandanga. Ito malaki po ng balloon ra. I always like the balloon as a small papa.
The cheeky, eh?
The cheeky one. The cheeky. Yeah, though okay. Eleanor, because you the mother.
Yes.
Pagbibi na nonra oir na marama oir ng bumbu eh.
Yeah.
Why do they kinita au baluna?
Because they ninimaka.
Yeah, every time. Okay. There's only 2 times.
Yes.
When our grandmothers always kinita our
Yes.
baluna and our sangana. First when they like us.
Yes.
And the second one is when we kila mendapal dundrui. But why do they act that way? The bumbu.
If you notice,
Yeah.
they will never kiss the baby's lips. They
Right.
will only kiss the cheeks.
The cheeks, iyo.
And they will pinch it.
Iyo.
Yeah, because it's very sensitive
Iyo.
for babies, eh?
Hindi na, Sarah.
Because adults,
Iyo.
they carry germs.
Iyo, plenty germs in
Because
that.
they go everywhere.
Yeah, plenty germs. Different types of germs there.
Bacteria.
Bacteria. The smoking bacteria.
Yes.
The lipstick bacteria.
Lipstick bacteria. Sometimes they don't brush their teeth.
Iyo.
Eh?
No toothbrush
Yes.
bacteria.
So that's why they are setting an example for us to follow.
Iyo.
Just kiss the cheeks.
Right.
Never kiss the lips.
All right.
Yes.
Kiss the lips nga of the grandparent.
Yeah.
We say to the Mesikakaya and
Yes.
the son and also the family in Nambuni Kandamu
Right.
in Boy and Dems and to the father of the guinea pig.
Hey, Samu Aviko,
Yeah.
father of the guinea pig.
Yeah.
A very good morning to you. Hey, he's very sick, my
We called him
brother.
yesterday morning.
Yes,
Tried to
sir.
call him how many times?
Yes.
50 times, 40 times?
500 times?
500 times. Yesterday morning, he never received the phone.
Yes.
But after our shift finished yesterday, the finish class at 9 o'clock, and then we receive one message. Hey, may tao, too much the reason why he's sick,
Yes.
because he's mostly kambi.
Yes,
Yeah.
magnetic.
Yeah, the
The magnetic
field.
force within him
Iyo.
is very strong.
Please, care, mertong garaba mo na guinea pig, Mario. Well, he got 4 guinea pigs.
Yes, he loves his pet.
Don't know what
Yes.
Like Demesi is a lollipop, and his tabale, the guinea pig owner, is a grasshopper.
Hey, Bilisane, stop it.
We'll talk about the kids before we
Yes.
go to our poem this morning.
Yes.
This it's a very important thing. Men do nambula taka na kambulambula. Weekend na gasedake. So weekend na dando to kami na mode. Dali renguda sar na nangusi papa. Please,
Iyo.
from today onwards.
Refrain.
Refrain from
And restrain.
Iyo, care. If you want to kiss papa's lips,
Yes.
toothbrush first.
Yes.
Wash your face.
Yes.
Clean your hands.
Yes, because some people, they just, a grog hangover.
Iyo.
They mother at 2, 3 o'clock,
Iyo.
sleep, wake up early in the morning, want to kiss the baby. No.
Iyo. So smoking, yeah?
Yes.
What do you mean?
Smoking, grogging, and the sweets.
Different types of chasers,
Chaser, yes.
What again? Suki.
Gori.
Suki kami bisar, but if you kiss the baby sleep, it will stick in the bed.
And to all the fathers and the men,
Iyo.
make sure, the beard.
Iyo.
Because sometimes when you kiss the baby,
Iyo.
and
Itchy,
the itchiness, yeah.
Iyo.
The itchiness appears on the baby's face.
Right. Dinasar. Kira-kira kayo ni saring udah na papa.
Yeah.
Ni, please pull back your beard. Please, sama kayo beard like this, or no? Drag it back.
Yes.
And let the lips make clear of the way. Then we kiss the lip.
Yes.
Or
See,
kiss the papa's,
Bill Lysenia said, arrest them not to kiss the baby.
Well, John Nekawalu is saying kiss the mother. Well, kiss the mother is anyhow.
Yes.
Yeah?
Mother too.
Never mind,
Yeah, mother too
just
will
smoke
be.
finish or mother finish or dust in the lips or lipstick in the lips. Mother doesn't care as long as you kiss her.
Unless
Yeah.
mother is angry with you
Yes.
for coming home
Yeah, late.
early hours in the morning.
Yeah.
Coming at 3, 4 o'clock, don't
Yeah.
kiss the mother. Otherwise, the spoon
Yeah.
will land
Yeah,
on your head.
yeah. Instead of the lips,
Yeah.
you'll kiss the spoon. Okay, please, our poem this morning.
Okay.
Kami kanta na poem nga. Baru tingin ito matang ko kira bombo tino na maruta sigo. We believe that you will like this Ouch Palangi show this morning. And to all the staff of Punches and Vinodpatel,
Yes,
same Bulubinaka, welcome
Bula
to this
Binaka, thank you
show
for
this morning.
yes.
Okay, our poem, Eleanor.
Okay.
Iyo.
Nonta poem na matapon na ni Kwa.
Yeah.
Stuck on you.
Stuck on you.
Yes.
Nanongu kambi vike muni.
Your sucrose, your glucose.
Nanomu kami-kamida, kina kami-kamida sibia. Sucrose pati kena glucose.
Yeah.
That's sugar in there.
Okay. Your fructose and more.
Na nomu buata, pati kina nomu soreni buata.
From your head to your feet.
Main na burandelamu kina gete-gete nevamu.
Okay.
Yeah.
From your head to your feet,
Yeah.
which are stuck to the floor.
Vakandi takiau, me undami tunga vakandua, me warra kana veka kami-kamida varu takampuna.
Your Hershey's and your Snickers.
Untuk belok kaya me vakana mateni nangi.
Your sweet English toffee.
Deu mengusumu na veka kami-kamida na suka kina oni.
If you spit in my cup,
Kaya baka mananga mbiuta na nomu kasivi na mengu mbiuloti.
you'll just sweeten my coffee.
O baka kami-kamida takasara, baka na mataka ni kwa.
I love you so much that I'm getting frenetic.
Au sando moni ko bagalebu ko sa senti kunde ni salande-lande na elongu.
But I can even kiss you because I'm diabetic.
Isale sana sena ni raonga me basor ka kana tembe ningu sumbu kina tembe ningu sumu me bakani tobi mate ni suka.
Ako nga yan.
Nando moni ko baka kambe na moko ni kasibo ta kana buni niu. Ya beta be kimno ka desa sautia.
Iyo, total ko.
Mai kala.
Kalakalaka.
Okay, mai set mai. Nanta aus palangi sungo mai.
I love the way you look at me.
Au ndo talita kana iwale-wale se na style ni nomu ndo side tekiau.
Your eyes so bright and blue.
Na nomu na eloka ni matamu serau me baka na mata ni singa.
I love the way you kiss me.
Au talitaka na iwale-wale ni nomu ndau rengudhi au.
Your lips so soft and smooth.
Na tebe ningu sumu ntakomba malumu ngai ndrebe.
Love the way you make me so happy.
Au talitaka na iwale-wale ni nomu ndau baka maru tekiau.
And the ways you show you care.
Kiba takina nomu ndau waritaka na nomu ndau kawai tekiau.
I love the way you say I love you.
Au ndau talitaka na nomu ndau tukuna biau au talitakiko.
And the way you're always there.
Matakina no mundo tunga kia ena vinga unda todo ko
Ya,
tali
sarga.
mananga ngoni kondo yalikina na kemu baka nanu ndo kambi tu.
Pico Nala Pico.
That's our Ouch Palangi show this morning. Thank you, Mistress Eleanor. Thank you to all the listeners tuning this morning. We say climate change.
Climate
Tiri
change.
kaliman meniti mewalu
Like-
ena baka tambisinga. Iyo.
Doyan Rabinaka.
Isa.
Bilay senya kasibita na tina walilemu.
Goreng acing tali balimbula.
Ai, lei. Noti tu nga, yan maleka sa mati ko may garansi ti may rewa, yan mataga ni kuwa. Madi maraman, royan, rayan rinaka. Payan na talaga be, peli ko roy, siya masarte ko may kandabu.
Oi!
Ti, no mulingan, no mulanga.
Ano ba naka, kibuni?
Makrasaka, satu ko. Garansi ko.
Ano ba naka baby raseka-seka?
Ano naka tebita suka.
Iya.
Rosa sabui sama tiko maimbayan na mataga na ni kuan do yan naka.
Ano na talaga be boss.
Right.
Pull back your beard. Ano ko ya, ano na review kan. Ano mataga binaka di kuwa mo si talaga be John Naikawalu. Kiss the mother. The mother likes to kiss every day. But mother, because sometimes you call the mother baby.
Yes. Yes.
So in the baby mama's mind, apart from
she was your first baby.
Yes. But on a petition chica saying to her, you are the baby of the daddy father.
Yes. Yes. The big baby.
Yeah, the big baby.
The first baby. Before your baby comes,
Baby mama is the baby of daddy father. Baby
yes.
Baby
because
daddy.
most of the father, they always call the mother baby before before the children come. And now when the children are there, or in between the marriage, it's like they starting to wandina. They don't call them baby anymore.
Sometimes when the kids are well, there's no kids, you call her in the house, baby.
Yes. Yes.
In a loud voice, in a loud.
In Europeans, they call each other baby all the time. Darling, honey.
Now when the kids are there,
yes,
maybe 2 or 3 or 1 or 4.
Yes.
But you call her baby, but in a certain place.
Yes.
Yes. Maybe in the night time.
In a private place.
In the private, in the private plane.
Yes.
Ano itu kita mata okay. Kaya kadi baby tu ngabe no mo watimu. Ko chigar to na understand ta naman. Bato kay mati ni no mo baby. Na share to permay na.
Bakan de meni ni dawlo manito ko na bingo na tudo ko sara.
Di na sara.
Yes.
What the ko.
Yes.
Otherwise you back the men's.
Yes.
The more room you will have.
Yes. Double room.
Lebo kay nga utak singo nasasama ki biyang ko. Ano ba na matagali? Tagi betawa. Pinapali besar rabito ka di bulmay na matagali ko. Sawin lo toka ka
chituks.
Sawin lo toka ngori na bonua ikilabi na ko eleno.
Hey, tebita suka ervinaka baby when you marry ya.
Right ngori kilakian santo kilabi na tunga na matematiki baby. Andra no
Ervinaka mandingis. Ervinaka reu. Sama teko mayanudan mata na ni ko ano itaki din bulan-bulan tiko garabin na teko na itabi may sanan doang gori.
Right.
Ervinaka lebu kay ngau daga tingo na sasama kinabiyang ko na sandina.
Iyo. Totoo kapag ni binaka. Why Sarbuka Yandere. John Kumar and all our friends who are tuning in this morning, they never miss the Ouch Palang show every morning from Monday to Friday in Barara Valley in Singapore. Okay, kero saan may tama na ba kaningo yan matagdi kuha. Don't like one heart, one share. The more the merrier.
Yes.
Marutag na si Winani kuha. Stay blessed and
peace out.
Yeah. Go Kurumundo.
Ellen on the morning, mading binaka.
All right.